Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And before we proceed ahead, I would like to update you about the TopMate Awards categories. So there is a category of career guidance, and with all your love, with all your support, with all your trust, RD Automation Learning has been ranked number 3 in the career guidance category among all the top creators that are there in the top meet. So this is a wonderful accomplishment, and I would say it is not possible. It was not possible without one of yours support and your trust. Many calls have been booked with respect to the career guidance. So people who are stuck with not getting calls, not able to switch their careers from manual to automation, unable to transition their career after the career gaps. So they have connected with us for the career guidance, and we have supported them, we have assisted them with whatever we can. So this one of the award category that we have been ranked number 3. So I wanted to share this positive news with you. So that's the positive update for the day. Now, let me share with you the job opportunities. So, there are multiple job opportunities. So, first is for the manual tester role, and it is for freshers. So, many people are telling that we are not sharing the fresher job opportunities. So, we have started sharing them. So, experience required is 0 to 2 years, and they are hiring for manual testers, QA engineer. And the key skills that they are looking is for manual testing, test case creation and execution, defect tracking, basic SQL and database knowledge, API testing, and good to have is Agile Scrum experience, exposure to automation concepts. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this particular contact number. Then there is a hiring going on at IBM Software, and the team in Bangalore is looking for an experienced QA automation engineer role. And this is the link for the job description. What I will do is I'll put all the links, all the email addresses, the contact in the first comment of the video itself so that you get that idea. Then there's a hiring for senior test engineer position at Signant Health, and the location is Hyderabad, and the work mode is hybrid. So if you meet this criteria, you can apply over here. Then there's a requirement for SDET automation tester, and they are looking for Java, Selenium, REST Assured, APM, TestNG, Git, and Maven. So it is good if you have knowledge on Jenkins, basic AI knowledge. Location is Gurgaon, and you can share your resume to this particular email address for the profile. And then there's a requirement for manual testing role, and they are expecting you to have degree in CS IT. So many folks these days they have the degrees in CS IT or in non-technical. So if you have non-technical, then you cannot apply for this particular position for this specific. But in some of the opportunities, they have written anyone who has completed MCA or have done engineering, those people can apply. So you should be open for relocation to Noida, Mumbai, or Bangalore. And this is the email address. Then this is one of the company which is hiring for SDET, senior SDET positions, and this is the link to apply. So qualified individuals are encouraged to apply directly through the provided link because this is a referral link. So you will be given the priority if you apply through this link. Then there is a requirement for manual QA, remote, 3 to 4 years of experience. Skill set required is manual testing, API testing, cross-browser testing, SQL and database testing, strong SDLC knowledge, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for Python QA engineer with the experience of 3 to 8 years, and the location is Indore, Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Gurugram, and you can share your CV to this particular email address. Along with this profile, you have to also share your total experience, notice period, location, current CTC, expected CTC. All those things are required. So these are the details that you have to share. And I would suggest whenever you are applying for the job opportunity, keep on sharing all these details because based on these details, the recruiters or the hiring managers will take the call to interview you. Then there's a requirement for QA with 2 to 3 years of experience, and the location is Noida. And the requirements is 2 to 3 years of QA manual testing experience, good understanding of SDLC, STLC. So if you're interested, you can share your profile to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement at PwC India, Hyderabad location. Experience required is 5 to 12 years. You can apply over here. They are looking for QA automation scripting. Then There is a walk-in drive in Gurgaon location for SDET. Experience required is 1 to 4 years, and CTC would be up to 12 LPA. Walk-in dates are 22nd and 23rd of January. So if you're interested, you can drop your CV to this particular email address. So these are all the job opportunities for testers. Feel free to share this video link with the other people in the network, in your network, who are looking for the job opportunities, and share this video link, YouTube link, in your Telegram groups as well. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.